3, go.
Hi, this is our group. This is Tariq Al-Ghamdi and Vaid Al-Latif and Faisal Al-Nasir and Abdullah Al-Sheikh and Hamad Sulaiman and Abdulaziz Al-Mu'ammar. The play will happen in the market.
It's okay.
Hi, what are you selling?
Hi, I am selling lemons. Are you interested?
Yes, of course, but I have a question first. What if you cut the lemon into 2 pieces?
Oh, let me do something. One.
Okay, try to remember. It's okay, no problem. Try to remember.
One out of 2. Let me show you another fraction. One out of 3 or 1/3.
Thank you, I learned about fraction now. Hi, what are you selling?
Hi, we're selling apples. Let me show you something. Now you have 1 out of 4, and another 1 out of 4. They are like fractions because they have the same denominator 4.
Can I add these 2 fractions?
Yes, of course, you can add them directly because they are like fractions. Let me show you something. You add the numerator 1, and 1 gives you as the denominator 4 as it is. So you will have 2 out of 4. Did you notice anything?
No. What?
2 out of 4 is equivalent to half. So we say that 2 out of 4 is equivalent to half. Is 1 out of 2.
Hi, what do you have here?
I am selling oranges. Just to show you.
We're waiting.
Let me try. The first, this is 2 out of 4, and this is 2 out. This is 2 out of 4, and this is 2 out of 4, and this is 3 out of 2 out of 6. Oh, but wait. Do we call them like fraction too?
No, we do not call them like fractions. We call them unlike fractions. Because they do not have the same denominator.
We can subtract such fractions.
Yes, of course. But first you have to find the common multiples for 4 and 6.
How can we find that?
Easy. The first multiples of 4 are 4, 8, and 12. And the multiples of 6 are 6 and 12.
Let me try. The first fraction will be 6 out of 12 because we multiply by 3, and the second fraction will be 4 out of 12 because we multiply by 2.
Correct.
The second fraction will be 6 out of 12 because we multiply by 3.
Correct. And we'll subtract 4 by 6. We'll subtract 6 and 4. It will become 2 out of 12.
Thank you. I learned about subtraction. Thank you. I learned about subtracting. I like fraction now. Pizza. I'm so hungry.
I'm going to show you something interesting. If you eat 2 pieces from the third pizza, what you will still have?
So easy. It's 6 out of 8.
Good, you asked.
What about the 2 holes here?
Good, you asked. Now you will have 2 holes and 6 out of 8.
What do I call that?
It is a mixed number because it has 2 whole parts and whole fraction. Fraction parts.
Thank you. I learned about mixed number now. Thank you.
Step down. And listen carefully. Come here. Come here. Over there. Come here. Stop on me. Line up here. What's your name over there? Yes? Come here. Habibi. The whole idea behind PBL, project-based learning, is to learn and have fun. But we cannot learn, we cannot have fun if we don't exercise well. Now it is obvious that you need to practice more. You need to rehearse more. The idea is wonderful. The idea behind it is wonderful. But in order for us to feel the idea, you have to act it out. So, first and foremost, first of all, whatever happens, over there, complete silence. Barakat, whatever happens, listen to me, Habibi. Oh, hey. Who am I talking to? Whatever happens when you are on stage, you should never laugh. Whatever happens, you should never laugh. Because you are the one who's acting out. If the audience laughs, we're gonna punish them. How about you? Come on. So laughter is out of the question, number one. Number two, stumbling. When we say stumbling, I want to say something, but all of a sudden I forget what I want to say. It happens all the time. Okay? So we should have somebody to just give you a word to set you off, to remind you. Okay? So don't worry, don't panic, don't be afraid. Think about it, and then you will remember. And somebody will whisper it in your ear, so you don't have to worry about this. Now, when I say show feelings, when I'm talking, let's say I want to say good morning to you. Good morning. It's like a robot. Good morning. I want to see the intonation in your sentence. I want to see you expressing it well. Because after all, you are acting out. You all know what act out is. To act out, you have to show feelings, emotions, enthusiasm. We're not reciting our lessons. And I said the idea is wonderful. Why? Because fractions is something that happens in our mind. To show it, you have to hold the pieces of orange, the pieces of apples, so that 2 pieces out of 4, it means 1 out of 2. Okay? So we need to show the audience the parts. Are you listening? Show the parts. Because we don't know what's happening on the table. So you need to hold your hand and show us that we have, by the way, the piece in the pizza is called the wedge. So usually when we cut the pizza, we cut it into 8 wedges. So 4 wedges out of 8 is how much? Half, okay? 2 wedges out of 8 is 2 over 8, which means 1 over 4. So all these things, you have to hold them up. Don't be silent when you are cutting the orange or something like that. While you are cutting the orange, you can say, now I'm cutting the orange into 2 pieces. I'm cutting it into 4 pieces. So always, because whenever you are silent, the audience would grow bored. Okay? Tamam? And somebody said, mix it. It's mix. Mix, okay? Not mix it, mix. Exactly. So why don't you put the interactive board into practice. Use some PowerPoint presentations to show us the 2 pieces of the apple.
How I'm adding unlike fraction.
Exactly. Okay?
We have to see the pizza.
So you agree with me, Mr. Fakr, that I need to practice really hard? Okay?
I think the idea is excellent, but because we are not prepared.
They have to work really hard. Okay? If you work really hard, it will be very nice.
The idea is very nice, but we have to see the calculation.
We have to produce it well.
Yeah.
Okay?
And it's a little bit dangerous regarding the knife. You have to be careful.
Bring plastic knives, please, okay? Not a real knife. Plastic knife will do the job. Will cut it, but without injuring yourself.
We have prepared parts. We'll let them.
A lot of hard work is ahead of you, okay? You have to work hard, tamam? And be serious and be professional. When I say be professional, whatever happens, you don't what? You don't laugh, okay? Tamam. Exercise self-control.